live life away from it all, to have some sheep, maybe a cow or two, with cats and dogs and goats and an occasional moo.
You're gonna have to clip them off.
This is all going to make such a difference in here, isn't it?
It keeps the darn mice out.
Yeah, I mean, if it overlaps a little bit, it's okay. Brings it up some. It needs to be raised up. I'd go ahead and do that nail there too.
You want me to show you a trick? As you put it flush against here, and you just bring it all the way back.
And add 3.5 inches.
3.5 inches.
Oh, cool.
That way you don't have to try to do this or anything.
Yeah.
And your cuts will be off.
Well, it's good for people that like math. I like math. I can imagine people that don't like math don't like it, don't use it. Day Reese and I were out there. The next day I could barely walk. We spent like 9 hours out there.
2x4.
It's because that's cedar. So they use those cedar 2x4s. And it's like awful trying to get anything into them.
Contact fire don't work. That's how I learned. The Amish didn't show me how to do it. They made me watch them and do it at the same time.
garden done and out of the way. All the garden areas.
I haven't even planted my garden. Not even my ingredients. Maybe that's what I'll do this afternoon. Doesn't matter if it takes a little bit out. I'll just wait for a little bit.
Like that one of those scroll saw or whatever you call them. I'm thankful that Michael is willing to do this for me today. Sure keep a lot of these wasps.
Well, pegboard doesn't keep wasps out. They can fit right through the hole.
See, my board up there is really crooked. Did you see that? I could barely get it up.